Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have exciting news. My brother, I call him little brother, but he's not so little anymore. He's actually taller than me. He's coming to visit me this November, so I have to get this room ready. So when I had Jonah took over the guest room upstairs. So this is my office that we're in right now, and I want to do it like a dual purpose. I want to do, my office plus guest room. So I have some ideas I can't wait to share with you. If you're new to my channel, I'm Lydia Farr. I'm a mom, and my channel, we go on a budget, and we're busy moms, and we want to save money, but we want to have our house look beautiful. So welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's begin. Okay, the first thing you gotta do is clear out the room. Let's clear out together. Okay, so step number 2 is to dust, mop, sweep, vacuum. Maybe not in that order, but let's get it done. And that way everything is clear and empty. That way you can, start decorating and plan how you want to plan and purge. And I don't know if you guys have this habit, but I have this habit. I keep stuff. It's hard to, I might need it. I have a hard time letting things go, but you know what, today I'm gonna do it no matter, how much I love this stuff. But if it doesn't work in the room, why keep it? If you have no place for it, why keep it? So, yeah. Now I can understand motherhood. You're trying to get your project done and, well, you gotta also attend the little ones. Hey, what's your matter? You woke up from your nap. You're so cute. Hey, you always take off your socks. Are you hungry? You wanna get up and play? You wanna get changed? I have a monitor. I'm gonna keep cleaning. You have all the music instrument. You gonna be a saxophone player like your daddy? Or a guitarist? Or a drummer? Okay, you're gonna be a drummer. Got it. Step number 3 is to decorate your room. And before you run out to the store, you know, to the stores that you like to go, shop from your own home first. You might have items that you're not using and that will look good in the room. So that's what we're gonna do. We're going to shop from our house, then make a list, the stuff that we need and that don't have, and then set up a budget. So, and we're gonna stick to it. All right, let's go shopping at home. Here, not home, that store. Why am I forgetting stuff? It's mom brain. That's the real thing. Home place? What am I thinking of? Yeah, don't go to here, this home. Okay, so I just got done shopping for my own home, and now the next step is to make a list of what the stuff I need. And I need an area rug, I need a clock, and I'm thinking to get 2 big large baskets to put under the TV. So for storage, I need storage for the blankets, and I also need storage for my exercising things that I always have around, sitting around the corner or laying around. So it's good to kind of put it together. So let's see what I can find. Wall here, I can tell right now it's going to be a pain in the neck how to decorate and how to hide certain things. So I'm going to come up with how to decorate this section here. Chris, since you're here.
Yes, ma'am.
Can we cover this cable thing? Take it off?
Yeah, we can.
Because we don't need it.
Yep. We'll come up with something.
Back. I did pretty good. I budgeted myself for $300 and actually ended up spending $220. So I had an idea to buy 4 things. I needed an area rug, and I got the area rug at Walmart for $60, and it's beautiful and it's black and white, my favorite. I have a clock, a big large clock that I got at Hobby Lobby. It was $100, but I used my 40% discount using their website. Every time you shop there, it's the regular ticket price. Go to the website and get that 40% coupon. Don't forget that, you save there. And I found 2 large baskets for under the TV because I have such a big area, and I created 2 more storage that I needed. I needed storage for blankets so we can cuddle up in the sofa and watch the movie and have a blanket. And my other one is the exercising. I have like a yoga mat and stuff, so I needed that too. So now everything is organized. Super psyched about that. Each of the baskets were $50, so I ended up spending $100. So all together, is $220. And the 4th idea that I wanted to do that cover the ugly wall, can't wait to show you that idea. So that clock has something to do with it, and it helped resolve number 4. So I didn't have to buy anything for number 4. So that helped me cut costs. Sometimes you have to kind of like brainstorm, like, wait a minute, I can actually do this and not spend a dime. And sometimes being minimal is better too. So can't wait to show you the big reveal. You ready? Are you ready? Let's go. nice. I love that it's now a dual purpose room. If when somebody visits me, I can turn into a guest room. There's futon right behind me. It turns into a bed. And I just can't wait to get my room prepared and ready for my brother come visit in this November. And that will be another video coming up, how to set up your guest room on a budget. And so yes, thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I gave you some inspiration how to decorate your home on a budget. So I'm Lydia Farr, the budget lady. That's my son Jonah crying. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you want to reach out to me, I'm also in Instagram at Lydia_Farr. I would love to hear from you. So thank you again for watching. Leave me a comment below and you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next Sunday.